kukho baba akunakonta babe ngijabule kakhulu ebhuti. Jabule kakhulu ngendlela eqakile. Kuphuma ishanga kwele ngena umuntu. Ebhuti. Yabona ngova demoni. Lutho nje ebhuti umakoti nangiphume endlini uyangicheka umakoti athi hayi babe ni good. Athi nice ngithi beautiful. Ayikho lethu 5 skipper lena. For the Pirates.
We love it for the Pirates.
Why ubalimaza kanje but why ugqoke isiketi phela bawuzobhejwa robo uzobhejwa.
Sorry uyangifuna.
Mina bawuzodunusa robo uzobadunusisa.
Yonke lento uyayifuna nganguphi ngapha? Kukho baba.
Hayi hamba onika
akunakonda.
Hamba onikeza umbavuma lena.
Lutho mntanami. Kukho baba.
Hayibo. Hayibo 3-0. 0. Hawu yasiphambanela uMutaung. Hawu yasiphambanela uMutaung. Jonga uMutaung yazi intoni? Mutaung ayikho lento senzela yona. Siyakuthanda Mutaung, mara into senza yona. Look, cela ubonisa uMutaung ukuthi bangakanani abantu abahamba bashiya igame. Ngeke khali lempembe mara bayakhalisa nje siyahamba just because of squatile.
How do you feel about the game?
Yo, why is it this whole weekend, ne? This whole week, I've been saying that Conan we're off.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm very disappointed. I don't wanna lie. And also, for me, Nane, we lost the game from the starting lineup. When I saw the starting lineup, I was like, I didn't expect Ushabalala, no Vilakazi, to miss out on the derby because those are the players that understand the derby, yabo. And then Usilva is not a 90 minutes player. Action, he plays he is our super sub. Not to Mudu Singakala. But to my players, we love you guys so much. I'm hoping Uguti Banga pick up a Masokis from here, you know. We are losing points and it's frustrating now. It's not nice anymore. Like I said,
Sishilo sasiyola libonene. Kunjani makunje? Nisaseyibona ola. I'm honestly disappointed. Like I barely come to the stadium. But namhlanje ngizwile ubuhlungu like I've never been heartbroken. Not even a boy can break my heart like this. So no, I'm never coming back. I feel like with the team, there's no structure, there's no support, there's no striker. There's just people running around. I'm just like, I don't understand what's going on. So no, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all.
Osemen, it's a game of numbers. Pirates winning, and let's I still so boss and like I says, but we don't have any words to say. We only have to dance.
Kokwan. One thing for like Steve. Look, itangana Sundowns, look, boy Sundowns. Abattacking over to over. But also, look, ubona opponent ya wena ne. Ibuya team ingwana tongana hota hiba. Itlangeli. We are cruising nicely.
It doesn't work.
I don't know. Mamela, let me tell you something. Mamela.
I don't know. Who's gonna cook?
If I'm a friends with Chiefs, you want a fighting spirit more than I'm a players with Chiefs. You understand? Thina umlungu wethu simpentshile because I understand but umlungu abathi kwenzani ukumfaka. Yabo? And when you check equality of players with Pirates is better than the quality of players with Chiefs. And it's in a contest in the life we believe good can still win the league. But the Chiefs if you go to number 2 so that they can qualify for a CAF. So I say the motivation is different than all the time. But otherwise babonisile to the Utabobana about number 1.
It's bad. It's bad. There's no team here. There's no management. There's nothing. From the lineup, us sitting on the stands, 12 p.m. sitting here. The lineup, Shivu Shabalala, Shivu Vilakazi. We are playing a derby. There's no coaching. There are no players. The players are not serious enough. So I'm thinking, I'll watch Kaizer Chiefs next season when they've bought a good coach or a better coach, and then uplifted the squad. But it's bad, Bafo. I don't want to lie to you.
From you, what can be done?
Look, it's basically management. It's team management. It's getting quality players. I guess that's what Sundowns and Pirates has been doing. That's all you need.
Honestly speaking, we are spending money to buy everything. We are spending money to come here to the station, the stadium. We are losing. This Motauzi must suggest whether they are going to go on with this thing or team of they kept these players of this nonsense coaches. We can't have this situation, my brother, or lose our money. We are spending money to come here, my brother, for sustenance. No, it can't be correct, man. They must get rid of these things. Abarekisa team abahlola abarekisa team yabahlola bayirekisa batho ba batla gona gore ka di player ba batla gona go manage everything. It can be correct gore spend the child ha re fitla mona be re to jewa ka nonsense so re jewa ke bo thaka tsa bone bo mfukeng ba pala go maka ba mfukeng hayi ontho wa bone ngwana me. Thank you.
Ya sijabule kakhulu igame esibone namhlanje. Although bevele sazi ukuthi sizingawina ngoba abanye babalandeli beChiefs batshela ngathi iscore ngaba u3-1 or 3-0 but hayi ngeke iziyenzeke lokho. So finally kugcine kube u3-0. So sijabule kakhulu and I hope ukuthi ucoach ubonile ukuthi kuba khona kambatha yini okumthelela kakhulu ukuthi igame yephambili khona udlala kancane.
I am very disappointed. This is the worst derby I've ever watched. From 1 minute there was no hope. From 1 minute there was no hope from Kaizer Chiefs. There was no player who did better. I can't even say. We need a coach. We need a coach. We need a coach. That's the only thing. Today we proved that we don't have a coach. We need a coach. That's one thing. We need a coach.
What a beautiful game. We played very well. What a walkover. We've been strong. It's been like 3 years now. We've been beating them. Sorry, Kosi. We are expecting with this beautiful. It was obvious. It was written from the time, we expected a win. Kosi needs to go back to the drawing board, Dr. Kumalo drawing board, do their thing. As Buccaneers were moving forward, we are winning the league. This is it.
Did you see Silva? He was walking. They took more than 15 minutes without replacing him. He was tired. Everyone was tired. Was slow. You can't be a midfielder and not even destroy and make even one foul, my friend. Let us change the coaches. Those coaches are failing us. We are losing. We are 3 goals down. They don't replace.
The coach who tell Brian. Popular modi banyaga ngita Brian. Vuma Brian. Uthomile ka Peter se. Jigi kantsha Vuma. Rowina bya. Miguel Brian. What's it kupela? Ikupela gore ko management Brian ane. Ba ire plan Brian ka re khono kra di coach tse sharp. At least Pitso Brian ga re ko re coach sharp. Ba kantsha ka Vuma aso dali season ama bra season since thoma aso dali silo Brian ga wanhlalwanye o kantsha Vuma da rowina bya Brian o kantsha Pula Modi Brian rowina bya.
Yeah, that's a tough one because if players they don't want to play football, they should decide. Looking at body language, which players as in high ground, we can tell.
Out of nowhere.
We must decide if it's either we're competing or we're not. Or it's Funukzo keep it top 8 because looking at people for Vuma and so on.
It's happy too. Why must you slam?
It's a derby. It's a kind. Uzosha 3 goals. But looking as things stand. Yeah, as things stand, we must decide if Kaizer Chiefs is Funukdali Bola or not.
I'm so happy, Dr. Kara. I don't even know what to say.
Chiefs
Stetile ngabo labantu ngasho ngathi no i3-1 izoba right but namhlanje at least i3-0 that's more than enough my brother. Paka fasa.